Kuphatheke igama likanobhala jikelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje. uMbalula uchazwe ngofakazi waziwa ngelika F njengabanye babantu ababevikelwa inkampani yonogada kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala.
Ufakazi uF utshele ikhomishana ukuthi iphini likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uKhassel Mathale lafakela ingcindezi iphini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya ukuthi abophe ngokushesha oqaketha ngeindaba zosaziwayo einkundleni zokuxhumana uMusa Khawula kulandela ukuthi ebhale amagama aziswana ayewabhekise kunobhala jikelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula.
Mention me that he's getting a pressure from the high office. High office, the office of the deputy minister is getting a pressure from there. I then asked the Deputy National Commissioner, what is so important about this charge? Because according to me, there is no sense of agency. He said this guy insulted a member of parliament. He told me now, the member that he created crime against is Mr. Fikile Mbalula, the secretary of the ANC.
And who was the deputy minister at that stage who you understood to have pressurized General Sibiya?
Mr. Khassel Mathale.
Uthi uSibiya wathi inkampani kaVusumuzi Khet Matlala izokwazi ukumbopha ngokusheshsha uKhawula ngoba uMatlala noKhawula bavamise ukuya eindaweni ezifanayo zobumnandi ngempelasonto.
He said, usually where Mr. Matlala goes, together with his security company, they do see sometimes Mr. Khawula.
Kanti uMajor General Richard Shibiri uvele njengomuntu owayencenga uMusa Khawula ukuthi angabhali emakhasini akhe ezokuxhumana ngoVusumuzi Khet Matlala ngoba ethi uyindoda elungile.
From Mr. Khawula, I'm hearing that Vusi is from Pretoria. He's married to Cordelia. Vusi is apparently dating Amahle and he's the one funding her lifestyle. I also heard that he has a child with Lebo. Info is still incoming. And General Shibiri responds, Chomi, don't run the story. He's a good guy. He never bothers anyone and he lives a private life.